Hey you guys, today I'll be showing you a healthy, delicious and packed with fresh veggies, the perfect side dish for the parties, chickpea salad with some fresh strawberries. So let's get right into the video. Bring a large bowl, add 2 cups of soaked and boiled chickpeas, 2 cups chopped cucumber, freshly chopped lettuce, 1 cup olives, 1 cup chopped celery, 2 cups of fresh and chopped strawberries and some pepper, salt, sprinkle some sugar. Now add 3 tablespoons olive oil and drops of lemon juice or lemon zest. You can also add fresh parsley and dried oregano in it. Toss well to combine, serve it once or cover and place in the fridge until needed. I'll keep for up to 5 days. And if you try this recipe, let me know what you think. Leave a comment below and don't forget to snap a pic and tag us on our Instagram page shimmys.kitchen. Seeing your creation makes my day. And make sure to subscribe to our channel. When you do, click that little bell icon. See you in our next video. Till then, have a nice day.